me an old guitar. She said, teach yourself to play. You've been looking kind of bored. Maybe this will fill your day. She went out and I stayed in, and I struggled with that thing. She went west and I stayed east, and I tried my best to sing. And I sang Sam and Dave, catch that way, the boss and Buddy Holly. And every happy song I sang sounded melancholy. I learned C and G and D and E and F and F sharp minor. And in my mind when she walked out, I'd gone to Carolina, and I went hearts can break just like a string. No, guitars can't fix a thing. I put that Martin in its case with the memory of her face, where it stayed to gather dust, and I waited for someone to trust. I couldn't stand to twist and shout, not too much to sing about. No more Dave Clark, 5-4 seasons, 3-dog night, too hot to handle. When even Mozart leaves me cold, the Brahms and Bach can handle. Oh, oh, Creedence, Screech, and Croce couldn't get my heart a pumping. Jimmy Smack would not come back. Jack Flash wasn't jumping no more. My wife handed me this old axe. She said, I wanna hear you play. Watch your face as you relax. You got 6 more shiny strings, and you got me alone tonight. Stroke that neck and think of me.